In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Microsoft Office applications, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Keeping your Office apps updated is crucial to ensure you're getting the latest features, benefiting from security improvements, and enjoying enhanced performance. By doing this regularly, you keep your software running smoothly and securely. To start, you'll need to open any Microsoft Office program. It doesn't matter whether you choose Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or any other Office app, as the process is identical for all. Once you have your chosen app open, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll see an option labeled File. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu that provides you with a variety of options. Now you need to direct your attention to the bottom left area of the menu. Here, you will find an option labeled Account. Select Account, and this will take you to a page providing detailed product information. Among the various sections on this page, there is one crucial section located on the right-hand side labeled Update Options. This is where you'll manage the update process for your Office applications. Next, click on Update Options, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Update Now. By doing this, you initiate a check for any available updates for your Office suite. If there are updates ready and available, your Office app will proceed to download and install them automatically. This process ensures that everything is brought up to date without hassle. If, however, your app is already up to date, you'll receive a message letting you know that no further updates are needed at this time. This message confirms that your app is currently using the latest available version, so you can rest easy knowing your software is in optimal shape. Once the update process is completed, regardless of whether updates were installed or not, you can simply close the update window. It's that easy. Regularly checking for updates like this helps maintain the security and efficiency of your work environment, ensuring you're always equipped with the best tools Office has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, we encourage you to like the video and subscribe for more valuable content. We regularly share tips and tutorials designed to help you make the most of your tech tools. Thanks for tuning in, and keep your Office apps running smoothly.